Now, do you want to pick out which hat you're going to wear today?
I want Paw Patrol.
You like Paw Patrol? Let's see how it fits you. It's amazing the empowerment that giving choices to kids offers. So we can offer them to what color pajamas would you like to wear? Would you like to wear our socks or would you like to wear your socks? Would you like to sit in the chair or the bed? Another way that we've done it is by offering hats for the kids to wear. So the kids can choose which hat they want to wear.